Hi everyone, here's your data update for this week. As of 5/17, 48% of Chicagoans have received a first dose of vaccine, up 1% from last week. Nearly 60% of Chicagoans 18 plus and 68.7% of Chicagoans 65 plus have received a first dose of vaccine as well. 1.3 million Chicagoans have received at least one dose of vaccine, and now, finally, over 1 million have completed their series. On the left, you can see Chicago's 7-day rolling average of first doses in blue, completed series in green, and total doses in black. Our current 7-day rolling average is 14,665 compared to 31,611 at the peak in mid-April. Our first doses in blue are trending slightly up this week, likely due to the surge in 12 to 15-year-olds seeking vaccination. Across the country, the decrease is slowing, but still half of what it was at the peak. Here you can see the sharp increase in the blue line is our 12 to 15-year-olds, which is really great to see. It looks like their families were excited to get them vaccinated. In terms of facility types, it appears the facilities who had already been stocking most of the Pfizer vaccine were the ones to hit the ground running, like hospitals and pharmacies. Outpatient offices and FQHCs are lagging behind, but hopefully only because you are ordering and preparing to store Pfizer in your offices. We got another EUA amendment last week that should help outpatient offices store and give Pfizer more easily. I'll talk more about that in a bit. Last week, Public Health was the only facility with an increase in vaccine administration, possibly due to adolescent vaccination at the United Center. In terms of incomplete series this week, meaning more than 42 days from their last dose, the percentage of persons missing a second dose by week of receipt of the first dose continues to increase to 21%. Outpatient offices, pharmacies, and public health continue to struggle to get patients back for completed series. The zip codes with the darker blue have the highest percentage of missed doses. These are also the zip codes that have the highest number of cases on the left and the lower first dose vaccine coverage on the right. In a worrisome trend for 12 to 17-year-olds, looking at data through May 11th, there are a disproportionate number of COVID cases in Black non-Latinx youth. So let's talk about how Pfizer vaccination just got easier and erase these disparities by getting the vaccine into trusted medical homes. An EUA amendment on May 19th allows undiluted Pfizer vaccine vials to remain at refrigerated temperatures, 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, for 1 month now. The up to 1 month refrigerated storage duration must be within the labeled expiration date, not cumulative. So let's review the new step-down storage and handling for Pfizer. They ship ultra-cold, and the vials can remain ultra-cold until the expiration date, and must be ultra-cold throughout shipment. That means replenishing with dry ice. Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine vials can remain frozen at -20 degrees Celsius for up to 2 weeks. And undiluted vaccine vials may now remain at refrigerated temperatures for 1 month. That's the new change. Therefore, the total storage time for Pfizer in the freezer and refrigerator combined can be up to, but should not exceed, 45 days. Another new thing is that Pfizer is available in a 450 dose or 75 vial box. And that'll make these boxes easier to split and ship in smaller quantities. So thanks for listening and making Chicago safer one shot at a time. See you next week.